Grow breast naturally at home. The breasts are considered one of the greatest assets of women. Firm and supple breasts can make all body shapes a lot more attractive. This is the sole reason a majority of women want to attain fuller breasts. In this video, we'll discuss the factors affecting the size of the breasts and the home remedies that will help increase your breast size. The size and shape of the breasts usually vary from one woman to the other. This is because many factors are involved in determining these aspects. What factors affect the size and shape of the breasts? Weight. The breasts are mainly composed of fat tissues. Thus, the size of the breasts may change when an individual gains or loses weight. Genetics. The unique size and shape of your breasts could also be a result of the genes that you have inherited from your parents. However, some other parameters, such as your diet and the environment you are exposed to, can alter the pattern of your inheritance. Hormones. Your hormones are another determinant of your breast size. Most women undergo phenomenal changes during puberty. This is due to the production of a hormone called estrogen. Any imbalance in the growth hormones of your body may result in poor breast development. Now that you know what factors may play a key role in the development of your breasts, let's look at some natural ways that could help in increasing their size. Following 2 simple home remedies that can help you attain fuller breasts. Fenugreek oil. Fenugreek seeds are said to help in expanding the skin around your chest. Thus, applying the oil on a daily basis will increase the size of your breasts in a few weeks. You will need 2 teaspoons of fenugreek oil. What you have to do: take some fenugreek oil, rub it in between your palms and apply it to your breasts. Massage gently for 5 minutes. Do this once daily before going to bed. Olive oil. Olive oil is a rich source of nutrients and is known to improve blood circulation. It also contains phytoestrogens that imitate estrogenic activity in your body and can thus be used to increase the size of your breasts. You will need 2 teaspoons of olive oil. What you have to do: take some olive oil and rub it between your palms. Massage it gently on your breasts for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this 1 to 2 times in a day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.